SKF solutions are present in anything that moves, from bikes, cars and trains, wind power. We want to reduce friction, to make things run faster, longer, more safely and cleaner. There are many challenges for manufacturing industries. You see a large trend moving from selling products to selling services, and that is enabled by the new technology. So here at SKF, we have a radio system in our new factory. We have a development lab where we also have a radio system, and at Chalmers CSI lab, all of these are connected to a cloud. So by using this 3-site testbed, we can work in an open environment to innovate. We used our competence in manufacturing and our technologies, and then Ericsson comes in with their knowledge about mobile technology. Chalmers brings a scientific way of working that stimulates the interaction. So together we create a lot of value.
We see a problem in the factory, and then we simplify it or generalize it, and we try a simple solution here in the lab or in SKF's lab, and then we test certain aspects of it, and then we can apply it in the factory.
5G enables us to connect machines, sensors, devices, collect the data, analyze it, and then distribute the intelligence to where it's best suited. The system needs to be robust, reliable, and secure to manage large volumes of data with low latency. Smart industries, in reality, means supporting the individual with tailored information that simultaneously enables the person to take action, do on-the-job training by learning from that information, and build competence. 5G will radically change the conditions for manufacturing and provide new ways of creating value in the manufacturing.